Buying your first real camera is exciting, but also confusing. Megapixels, sensor sizes, lens mounts, stabilization. It is a lot. The right beginner camera should be easy to use. Take great photos straight out of the box and not make you want to throw it in a lake. I have tested the best beginner cameras of 2026 to find out which ones help you learn photography without overwhelming you. Let's get into it. The Canon EOS R10 is the best all-around beginner camera for someone who wants to grow into photography. It is a mirrorless camera with a 24.2 megapixel sensor that delivers sharp, detailed images with beautiful colors straight out of the camera. The autofocus is incredible for the price, tracking people, animals, and even cars with ease. The fully articulating touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from high or low angles, and the menu system is one of the most beginner-friendly on the market. It shoots 4K video if you ever want to try videography. The RF lens mount gives you access to Canon's growing lineup of excellent lenses. For a beginner who wants a camera that will still feel capable 5 years from now, this is the best choice. Check the link in the description below. The OM system, Olympus EM10 Mark IV is the best beginner camera for travelers and anyone who wants a small, lightweight camera that is easy to carry everywhere. This micro four thirds camera is significantly smaller and lighter than DSLRs and even most mirrorless cameras. The 20 megapixel sensor produces great images, and the in-body 5-axis image stabilization is a game changer for beginners. It lets you take sharp handheld photos in low light without a tripod. The flip-down screen has a dedicated selfie mode, which is great for vloggers or solo travelers. The 16 art filters, including a cool instant film look, let you get creative without editing. For someone who wants a camera that fits in a small bag and is fun to use, this is a fantastic option. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Nikon Z50 II is the best beginner camera for someone who wants a traditional camera feel with modern technology. Nikon has been making cameras for decades, and the Z50 II feels solid and substantial in the hand. The 20.9 megapixel sensor produces excellent image quality with great dynamic range, meaning you can recover details in shadows and highlights. The electronic viewfinder is bright and clear, making it easy to compose shots even in bright sunlight. The autofocus is fast and reliable, and the camera is weather sealed, so a little dust or light rain will not ruin it. The lens ecosystem is growing, and there are adapters for older Nikon lenses. For a beginner who wants a camera that feels like a serious tool, this is a great pick. I have linked the Nikon Z50 II down in the description. The Fujifilm X-M5 is the best beginner camera for someone who loves vintage style and wants beautiful photos without editing. Fujifilm is famous for its film simulation modes, which recreate the look of classic analog films like Kodachrome, Velvia, and black and white. You can take a photo and share it immediately without spending hours in Lightroom. The 26.1 megapixel sensor delivers sharp, detailed images, and the retro dials on top of the camera make changing settings feel tactile and fun. It is compact and lightweight, perfect for everyday carry. The autofocus is solid and the video quality is excellent. For a beginner who wants a camera that looks beautiful and produces gorgeous photos straight out of the camera, this is the best choice. Check the link in the description below. The Nikon D7500 is the best beginner camera for someone who wants to learn on a classic DSLR. While mirrorless is the future, DSLRs are still excellent and much cheaper on the used market. The D7500 has a 20.9 megapixel sensor, a bright optical viewfinder, and excellent battery life that lasts for hundreds of shots. The controls are laid out logically, making it easy to learn the exposure triangle of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. The autofocus system is fast and accurate, and the 4K video is a bonus. The best part is that you can find used Nikon DSLR lenses for very little money, making it affordable to build a lens collection. For a beginner on a tight budget who wants to learn the fundamentals, the D7500 is a fantastic value. I have linked the Nikon D7500 down in the description for you. That is the lineup of the best beginner cameras for 2026. Whether you want the modern mirrorless Canon R10, the compact Olympus EM10, or the classic DSLR Nikon D7500, there is a camera here that will help you fall in love with photography. All the links are waiting for you down below in the description. I will catch you in the next one.